Did you want to go viral? Did you want to go viral? If you want to go viral, this video is for you. Wait, you are looking for 4,000 watch hour. This video is for you. Stay till the end.
In time
Let's
past,
go.
whenever I want to upload my video, I upload my video on the plus sign through the app. But later, I will realize that I was not getting views. This is a mistake I'm revealing to you here. I've made the same mistake on some of my channel countless time. Then, no views, no likes, no comments, nothing. But later on, I have to make some research about on how to post video. Then later on, I see that me uploading video through the app is not helping. I have to go through my Google Chrome and do what, and upload my video from there. Then I start getting views.
So let us go. Let me teach you. What you need to do is to head straight to your Chrome.
Here we come. This is our studio from the Chrome browser. So let's begin. Click on the create, then click on the upload, then come here, select files. Then after selecting your files, it's going to take you to your either photo from library or you chose a file. Then you see here, I've already uploaded a video before, so that is why it comes out like this. You understand? So I want to use the video I've uploaded to show you. So this is our studio right now. After the thumbnail, the description about the video is there already. Then come this description, everything about the video. Then your thumbnail, this is your thumbnail. Select a good thumbnail for your video and select playlist.
This playlist is going to carry the rest of your video along.
It's very essential. Use playlist. Select your video not for kid, so that some you will have access to some things. Well, let's come down here. Altered word, no, because I'm not using AI tools. Yes, let's throw down again. These are my tags about the video, what I wrote down about the video, the tags. Then you come down. There's something that I want to show you here. You can change location, put United States. If you want your viewers to come from United States, you can put your location there. Yeah, let's go. And this category is essential. From the app, you can see this feature there. Select the feature how to, because this channel is all about it's like a tutorial on how to do something. You understand? Yes, select how to and style. Yeah. Then head to the top. There's one that I wanted to show you, which is the end string. You see the option here, end string.
Did you know what is end screen? You don't know what is end screen. These are the feature again you're going to see.
End screen. You click on the end screen. Already, because I've already uploaded the video before, what you need to do is click on that box there. After clicking on the box there, it take you to the studio where you going to choose the video you want to use on the end screen. Because I already showed the video before, you understand? That's why it is like this is the video I show, and since it's loading fast.
My name is James Olakenju Sirafe, and this is Sajay Digital Crypto Platform. If this is your first time on this platform, please, I will want you to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell for another video. Now, you have seen all the settings here. Click post your video, and then YouTube is going to bring your video. Thank you.